paper. Number 11. Where did Mary go? A. To say head office. B. She is doing the great. C. I talked to her. Number 10. How was the food? A. At a restaurant. B. With the staff members. C. It was very good. Number 13. Do you like walking by yourself or in a group? A. He went by himself. B. As a choice me 5. C. A group of 5 people. Number 14. It's not too far, isn't it? A. Yes, I like it too. B. It is far better. C. No, I don't think so. Number 15. When do you want to take off? A. Right away. B. Sure, take kiss. C. No, I don't want this. Number 16. Who requests the sales report? A. I believe it was Miss Jones. B. No, I report to Miss Johnson. C. Mr. N is today. Number 17. Why did you miss the conference today? A. The meeting's at 9 o'clock. B. Miss Smith is leading it today. C. He was stuck in the traffic. Number 18. Could you return seeing DVD back to the store? A. Let's have lesson. B. Sorry. They not refundable. C. Of course. I'll take care of it right away. Number 19. How much was the new computer? A. The internet. B. $900. C. No, it is not new. Number 20. You've been here 5 times before, that's new. A. Yes, a couple of times. B. No, it may be later. C. I can't hear you too well.